Hi folks, Max from RootGalaxyNote.com. Today I'm going to show you how to root the Galaxy Note 10.1 Wi-Fi edition. This one is pretty easy to do, so let's go ahead and do this. First, go ahead and turn off your Note 10.1 2014 edition. This is for the 2014 edition. If you have the original Note 10.1, go to RootGalaxyNote.com, check that FAQ there. Next, go ahead and hold down the volume down. That is the one next to your power button. Go ahead and hold down the volume down. While holding it down, hold down the power button. And hold it for 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. And you should get this warning screen. Go ahead and hit the volume up key, which is this button here. And you'll be entered into loading down. Alright. And when it says downloading, go ahead and connect a micro USB cable to your computer. And let's go to our Alright, so next you want to download this file called p600_autoread.7zip. Once you download it, use 7zip program to unzip it. Once you unzip it, you'll get 3 files here: autoroot p600.json.mp5 and also odin309. Go ahead and double click on odin309 and go ahead and double click on odin309.exe, and this will start the Odin program. Now don't touch anything else. Go ahead and choose AP, and then go ahead and browse to the folder where you have p600_autoroot. Go ahead and click on autoroot p600mj4.mp5. Hit OK, and go ahead and hit start. And this will flash a root for your Note 10.1 2014 edition. After this is done, we're going to reflash the stock recovery. So let your Note 10.1 2014 should be rebooting, and let it reboot, and we'll continue. Actually, this is what it's doing. It says detected device, mounting, booting. Go ahead and let it reboot, and I'll be back when it completely reboots. Alright, once rebooted, see if you can access SuperSU. If you have SuperSU program, you're all good to go. And there we go. That's fully rooted, and you can go ahead and download Titanium Backup apps and disable Knox. Same thing, volume down, and power button. Alright, give it a second, and go ahead and volume up, and connect it back to your computer again. Alright, and let's use our computer. Alright, next what you want to do is go ahead and hit AP again, and instead of choosing autoroot, this time choose stock recovery, blah.tar.mp5, and go ahead and hit start. And this will reflash your stock recovery, so you'll be able to get stock updates and whatnot. But your Note 10.1 should now be fully rooted. And let it reboot. Alright? I'll be back. Alright, to verify you have full root, you can go ahead and download Titanium Backup app, which I highly recommend also for backing up your apps. One of the first things you should do after rooting your Note 10.1 2014 edition. Let me go ahead and open this up and verify I have full roots. And we're going to attempt to also disable all the Knox. Regular consumers, you don't really need it. There you go. So we've got super user request. And also this this app is great for freezing apps. I'm going to go ahead and actually, there we go. Go ahead and go to backup and restore. All right. And go ahead and find anything that starts with KNOX, Knox. So I'm going to go ahead and find Knox stuff. All right, there you go. All this KLMS agent, Knox 1.0, 1.0, Knox Store, Knox Notification Manager. We're going to go ahead and make a backup of all these. and then delete it. So I'm going to go ahead, oops, I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and start with KLMS. I'm going to back it up. All right. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and back it up. All right, if something goes wrong, I can restore it. And if you do have the Pro version, which I do also, you can freeze it. But since some of you may not have the Pro version, I'm going to back it up. I'm going to go ahead and back up everything first. All right, and anything that starts with Knox or anything Knox related, I'm going to go ahead and back it up, and then I'm going to totally uninstall it. Knox Notification Manager, I'm going to go ahead and back that up also. All right, and also Knox Store, I'm going to go ahead and back up. Oh, you know what? I picked the wrong one. Knox Store, I'm going to go ahead and back it up. And then we're going to go ahead and remove all of these, or uninstall it. I'm going to go ahead and uninstall Knox Agent 1.0. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall that. All right, and also Knox 1.0, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall. That's why you want to back it up, because if you can't freeze it, you can restore if the app is needed. For some reason, if something goes wrong. I'm going to go ahead, probably not. I'm going to go ahead and uninstall that also. And I'm going to go ahead and also uninstall Knox Notification Manager. I don't really like Knox that much. I don't think it actually helps consumers. This is really for business users, corporations who are buying Note 10.1s and they want extra security. But this should be fine. And I've pretty much took all the Knox out here, as you can see down here. You'll see that it's been uninstalled. You'll see that it's been crossed out. That means it's been uninstalled. But I do have a backup of it. So if something goes wrong, I can always go ahead and restore that using Titanium Backup app. And there we go. I've got a bunch of notifications here. And we should be all good to go. And now you should have a fully rooted Note 10.1 2014 edition with root working. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. This root method was brought to you by XDA user Beanstown106. Don't forget to donate to him if this has helped you root and you have some extra money you wanted to donate to the developers. A huge thanks to him for finding this root method. I always have linked to under credit sections on my website, so check that out. And as always, if you have a Note 10.1 2014 edition or the original edition, don't forget to sign up for my email list at rootgalaxynote.com. We update you once a week with Ramen Week tips, hacks, and more stuff like this. And also, if you're on YouTube, please hit that like button for me here, subscribe button there. And I will see you guys soon. Stay hoi on Android. Yeah.